Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing some more work in my holiday planner, which is a composition notebook that I have altered. If you would like to see how I altered it, I will link to those videos in the iCard up above. This is what it looks like, and I've also done a washi tape waterfall. I'll link to that video in the iCard up above as well. I didn't do much in it. I did a little work in it, and I still have some work to do. But if you want to take a good look at that, it will be linked in the iCard up above. So I've been working in this since October. So I decided to do October, November, and December in this composition notebook. And this is where we are. I haven't filled in some things, and I'm not going to pressure myself to do that. I'm kind of looking at this as like a sticker art journal, something like that, where I'm just having fun adding stickers. So I'm on the week of the 18th through the 24th, and I had not used these stickers previously from Let's Get Planned. They are holiday, but they're more of a neutral holiday, I guess, non-traditional, with the berry colors and the green and the cream color. The only thing that seems traditional is the designs in her outfit. Anywho, that's neither here nor there. These are the washi tapes that I pulled from Simply Gilded. I thought they went well with the actual stickers outside of the doll. The doll has red, so I'm not sure how good that's gonna look, but we will see once I get it all put down. I think I'm going to start with the header spaces and use this bow washi. It's a neutral washi from Simply Gilded, and just see what that looks like. I was really trying to take it easy this week, but then I came in to the craft lab, and I have some other projects that I've kind of, I just tore that. I have some other projects that I kind of been working on for Journal Life's Journey, and I decided, let me go ahead and do something for my planner. I still have another planner to catch up in as well. I did one yesterday at my B6 for the last week of the year. If you want to check that out, I'll link it up above in the iCard. All right, let's go ahead and get this done. Let's do the footer. I thought I would use this burgundy berry color. It's got pinks, but no real red. I think it'll work. Let's just go across. Nope, can't go across because I didn't line it up very well. And this tape is really tearing the paper. I think I'm gonna go all the way over here, yeah. All right, so then I think I'm gonna use this up top, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the offset so that I can butt it up against the washi tape and not have that white space there. And this is called Joyful, by the way. I'll link to Let's Get Planned in the description box below and include my discount code as well. I'm just gonna lightly lay that there and do the same thing on the other side. It's gonna overhang a little bit. So where do I need to cut it? I need to cut it right about here. Let's hold on to that. And they probably should have been at the bottom, but I want them at the top. All right, let's put the washi tape at the top, actually. I want to put her All right, so I kind of want to have her hanging from behind this sticker. Let's see if I can make this work. Yep. There we go, like that. And then let's see what we can do with these stockings. Let's put the Believe over here on New Year's Eve. I'm going to do Seasons of Joy by her. Let's check out some boxes. Kind of want to use some of the berry boxes, but I kind of want to use some neutrals too. And actually, these could work. I think this green matches. Should I try it? Let's try the small ones. A few small greens to go with the greenery. Trying to remember what actually happened. There is an appointment. Yep. Okay. So let's see. Let's put this here. Let's get the berry boxes. Now these boxes that I'm using are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. Where are the rest of the berry boxes? Did I not print them all? Okay, let's see. I got something here. I guess I'll use this. I guess I'll put that there. And then put this here. Let's start decorating some of these. Probably need to put more boxes, but all right, so that sheet is done. Let's see if we can finish this one up. That's both sheets down. Let's see if I can add a few more boxes. Where's that green that I was using? Because I like this green better than the other one. All right. I think that should cover it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I used both of the sheets completely. Those were deco sheets from Let's Get Planned. The discount code and link will be in the description box below. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. The boxes and the insert pages, the inserts are printable as well as the boxes, both printables, available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.